This is borage. It's the flowers that are used in cooking. And, I'm sure you've seen it in the catalogs and stuff and thought, why would I ever grow that? I wouldn't advise growing it unless you're doing a wide range of herbs, because what it does is it just fills in the corners if you really want to focus in on them as a vegetable farmer and you want to have a good range of things so that you can be the herb guy. And this one's a good one to grow because it's just so easy to grow. It doesn't take a lot. I think we put it in as a 3x3 on a bed, so it only takes a few trays of it, and it fills in really nicely and grows pretty fast. And what you're going to do is you cut just the flowers off, right? So you cut the flowers off and you put them in small clamshells, and that's how you sell them, right? Because you don't want to keep it too expensive. You want them at the same price as all the other herbs that you're displaying, because then you can do a deal on multiple herbs, which I think sells things a lot better. And this is just one of those things that just rounds it out. It's certainly not a center, right? You're not going to sell as much as this as basil or cilantro or dill or something like that. But it's nice to have, and we only do one bed of it, so it just adds to that selection.